In this session, we are going to learn about spanners. The spanner is a tool used for tightening and loosening of nuts and bolts. Spanners are made of steel or vanadium steel. The size of the spanner is decided by the size of the nut. A half-inch spanner is used for a half-inch nut. There are 4 types of spanners: adjustable spanners, box spanners, double-end spanners, and ring spanners. An adjustable spanner has a movable jaw which can be adjusted to fit nuts and bolts of different sizes. While turning, make sure that the jaw is located on the side towards which the spanner has to be rotated. A box spanner is a small handheld tool. This can be used to remove deeply recessed or difficult to reach nuts and bolts. A double-end spanner has a U-shaped opening on either end. A ring spanner is a one-piece wrench with an enclosed opening that grips the faces of the bolts or nuts. It is advisable to take certain precautions before using a spanner. Apply a thin film of oil to the metal parts of the spanner before storing it. Make sure that the spanner fits the nut properly while tightening or removing them. Let us now turn to the operation of spanners. In the beginning, the nut will go into the bolt easily, but at a certain point, it will stop turning. At this point, we will need a spanner. Choose a spanner based on the size of the nut. This is a set of spanners. Now tighten the nut. It is very important that you hold the spanner tightly. You can use the spanner correctly and turn the nut quickly if you hold it like holding a fork while eating. See, I don't have to use a lot of force to turn this. If more force is required for tightening, you can hold this side of the spanner and tighten properly. You can use your arm or entire body for turning the spanner if required.